Hello everyone, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. I've been getting a lot of questions on the FPC saying they're going out and having multiple malfunctions or issues with it when they buy it and go out and use it for the first time. And I think I know where a lot of it is, not everything, because there are manufacturer defects, but I would say 98% of the time, I think it's going to be one issue. And I have seen it here locally in my state, Arizona, that I've watched a couple of people do it and had no problems like I see on the internet. You go out and buy one of these, the FPC, first thing you should do before you even put a round in it and go to the range, let me put this down, clean the gun 100%. You need to go field strip that gun. I have a video on it, I just did it last weekend showing you how to field strip it completely down to what you need to do and put it back together. You do that, you field strip it and clean it, re-oil it, and I think a lot of these problems that I'm getting messages on will go right out the window. They'll go in the garbage can. A common one that I do see a lot of is I go out and shoot it and it fires one round, ejects it, but it won't fire the next round. I don't know, I'm not with them, so I don't know the details of this issue. But I can tell you this from experience. I don't consider myself a guru on these, but I know my guns upside down and backwards, the ones I own. When I first got mine, the firing pin had some of that preservative on it, so it was sticky. That might be the issue, to where it's not letting that spring do its job by forcing that firing pin to the primer. So field strip these guns, and let me read you something on the response manual, page 45. I'll show you right here. Right there, right under those exclamation marks in the triangles. The first two says, before using your firearm for the first time, it should be cleaned. Your firearm was treated at the factory with either a preservative or oil to protect it against corrosion during shipping and storage. There's where a lot of the problems I think are, because on mine, when I got it, it had like a heavy oil, it was sticky, and that's going to create a lot of problems. So please, I've been called out before saying if you don't field strip it and oil it before the first use, are they wrong? Yes, you're 100% fucking wrong. Please oil these, clean them first, and then oil them, and I think you're going to enjoy the gun a lot more. I'm seeing a lot of issues with it. And most of them that return messages back to me, it is a cleaning issue. So please go out and clean them before you even use them. That should be for any gun you buy, new or used. Clean them, go out and use them, and you'll be a lot happier. If you have any questions, post them below. Let me know if you've had this issue and cleaning help. Take care, guys.